Alright. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now today we're gonna learn how to make a delicious hamburger helper.
Oh,
First we have
I do.
the ingredients we're gonna use are the title box plus ground beef. So you have a third cup of milk and 2 cups of water. I put it in there so no one can get it. Alright. Before we start? Before we start, let's see today what this week's helper is. And Mol's not here. Try it again. This week's helper is Siobhan. Alright, Siobhan. First, we turn on our skillet. Turn on our skillet top. Then we put our ground beef into the pan, which as you can see is seasoned from my signature blend.
Okay.
Don't forget to drizzle a little oil. I'm gonna use olive oil, but this will have to do. It's going to be like so. I'll tell you that. Next, after scrambling it, we saute like so. Oh, while it's heating up. You gotta make sure you continue to do this. So all the meat use a rich dark brown. It's a rich dark brown. Brown than Mateen's outfit. Make sure the beef is all cooked thoroughly. Hurry. You don't want it too raw.
Just need them.
Can anyone explain why you should never eat ground meat? Raise your hand.
You can get sick.
Exactly.
As well.
Exactly. It can cause a foodborne illness. What are these kinds of foodborne illnesses?
Like food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
Okay. I was also looking for salmonella and E. coli, or E. coli, but yeah, food poisoning. Alright, now it's time to add in our other ingredients. First we add 2 cups of water.
Can you use these?
No, it's already filled with 2 exact cups.
Do you put the whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing. Next, being the 3rd cups of milk. Hey, language. This is a language. This is a family class.
You're fine, y'all.
Next the milk. Oh, this one.
I don't like this feel. Looks good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Next,
we open our box and add in our other ingredients. Okay, now we add in our sauce mix.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm not
And we stir it all in like so. Careful not to spill.
Hi.
Would you like a hug?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have. How are you feeling with your foot?
I'm trying to walk without the crunches. You know?
Still sore?
Yeah.
Look at it. I
Okay.
didn't hear her help her. Look. High five, right?
She made hamburger.
We're working together, right?
Mm-hmm.
Scooch this one water.
What are we doing for noodles?
Now we lower the temperature. Cover it up. And we leave in there. We leave in there for exactly 10 to 12 minutes.
Is this it?
Yes, this side.
Can I help you?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, infuse soup. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
In that class, I saw him make some delicious hamburger helper.
Yeah.